is Muhammad Izzat Afiqhan bin Muhammad Fauzan from DKM 5B. Today I want to tell about introduction. The purpose for feed check valve are one of the most important component of boiler, which control the flow of water from feed pump to the boiler and further prevents the backflow of water from boiler to pump when the boiler pressure is more than the pump pressure, or when feed pump stop working. Then we know the function for boiler. Feed water pump is a specific type of pump used to pump feed water into a steam boiler. The water may be freshly supplied or returning condensate produced as a result of condensation of the steam produced by the boiler. These pumps are normally high pressure unit that take suction from a condensate return system and can be of the centrifugal pump type or positive displacement type.
Working principle for the feed water check valve. During normal operation, the feed valve may be lifted due to the pressure of the water from the feed pump, and water may be fed into the boiler. When the pump stops working, the pump pressure is less than the boiler pressure. The valve may be closed to it automatically due to the pressure of water from the boiler. It is very important to check that the non-return valve CV is in good condition as it is subject to automatic upward and downward movement due to the fluctuation in the feed water pressure. The valve CV can be inspected for repair by fully closing the valve FV. If the boiler is in operation, it should be seen that there is sufficient water in the boiler before such work is undertaken. Principle for the feed water pumps. A feed pump is a type of pump that supplies water to a boiler to produce steam. For industrial purpose, a feed pump supplies a liquid for further processing. These pumps are high pressure pumps and are generally of two types: positive displacement type feed pump. The work of boiler feed pump is to discharge the condensate boiler feed water from hot well to the boiler drum. With the rotation of shaft and impeller, the hot feed water is thrown outward radially across the wall of pump along the path of the flow. This increases the speed of the fluid, so does the pressure.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Aiman Muhammad Isa and I'm from class DKM1B. My matrix number is DKM. My matrix number is 01 DKM19F1073. In this video, I would like to present about feed check valve and feed water pump. From the inside view, we have lightning rod, lock nut, gasket, seal ring, bonnet, rocker arm, retainer card, disc, seat, body. From the side view of feed check valve, we have hand wheel, we have leash, gillette, spindle, bolt and nut, valve rod, valve, non-return valve, inlet pipe, outlet pipe, feed water inlet, and water to boiler. So let's move to feed water pump. In feed water pump, we have anti-seal vane, suction stopper assembly, mechanical seal, rotation, distance ring, water cooler support, water cooler connection, cartridge alignment pad, balance valve cover, bearing housing, mechanical seal, cover blade, grey lock sealing ring, neck ring, and vane ring. From the side view of feed water pump, we have shaft, ball bearing, stuffing box, G-rings, flanges, casing, sleeve bearing, optional bearing design, interstage bushing, wearing, first stage impeller, shaft sleeve, and lastly is optional cooler.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zulfadli Haikal bin Muhammad Zubir with matric number 01DKM19F1071. Today I want to talk about summary and conclusion for topic boiler mounting control fitting for feed water check valve and feed water pump. We have learned and understand what is the function of feed check valve in boiler and function for boiler feed water pump. After that, we understand how to substand its trick. Next, if an issue develop, determine the source of the problem and address it, such as a leak. Finally, we release from this simulation that if the feed water pump and check water valve are placed properly, they will operate properly. In conclusion, we expect to demonstrate good performance in order to utilize the boiler lesson in the future. Thank you.